And we have been promising you more and more people from Philip Morris International. Today is Wednesday, and we do have a workshop here at Sebusile Conferencing and Meeting Venues. And right now we have a gentleman here by the name of Alex, but I'll ask you, sir, to just introduce yourself and your function as well at PMI.
My name is Alex Van Wyk, and I'm a line coordinator for production in Philip Morris Boxback. What do I say? I'm excited to be here, being part of the team that will be having a workshop for skills development for the leadership. And I believe this will help me since I think it's my first workshop for this course, and I'm hoping to get a fruitful outcome out of it. And so I can also be able to use it or apply the methods that will be learned today in the factory, and it also will help me build myself.
Awesome. Lovely stuff. And how long have you been with Philip Morris International?
If I have to count, I started 2007, if I'm not mistaken. That was in December. You know, when you get a job in December, everybody else have been paid, and you don't get paid. You'll only be paid the following year. That's my to cut it short. I was made permanent December 3rd in 2007. So if I'm were to count how long I've been there,
18, 19 years? 17 years.
Yeah, 17 years.
Incredible.
So
Okay. And I was going through Google as well. I was talking with one of your colleagues there that I've seen that you have been, or your company, PMI, has been awarded 9 years in a row, Global Top Employer. How does that make you feel going into a company where you know that your employer actually is a top employer because they're doing things such as workshops right here and improving everybody in the plant as well?
Anybody else would feel awesome about that. That's an achievement. It's a big one. Not everybody does get to that level, and for 9 years consecutively, uninterrupted like that, it's a good feeling, man. To know that your company, it shows your company can still go more and more and more for the other generations that are still to come as well. So what I can say is, I'm proud. I'm proud to be working for a company that has been recognized in that manner. You understand? So and we're hoping to do the same even this year again.
No, all the best. All the best. But Alex, I see a lot of your colleagues are going inside. Thank you so much for taking the time.
No worries.
And we do hope that you are transformed as well from mental darkness into mental light.
Hi, my name is Veli Ndaba, the NeuroEngineer. I help leaders understand themselves and their team members better by using the latest discoveries in neuroscience to help explain and make sense of the human behavior. This is what every leader needs, especially in this time of knowledge economy, where everything is all about using that knowledge, using the part of the brain that is responsible for cognition and for creativity. So how do we go about doing this? And this is what I unpack. So let's connect and unleash the power that this brain carries.
To engage us further on our services, keynotes, workshops, coaching, and merchandise, visit our website, velindaba.com.